A week ago, UN Secretary-General Ban Ki-moon warned that unless the food crisis was tackled head-on, the world risked social unrest on an unprecedented scale. The scenes in Somalia suggest it is already happening. Adam Minot reports now on the deadly clashes from Nairobi in neighbouring Kenya.
Thousands of Somalis took to the streets of the capital's Bakara market, furious about soaring food prices, which had doubled in the past few months. They hurled stones and shouted abuse at stallholders who are refusing to accept the 1,000 Somali shilling note because they say it's forged. Some branded handfuls of worthless cash, saying they're being driven deeper into poverty and hunger. We're protesting about shopkeepers refusing to accept these old Somali shillings, this man said. We don't have any money now. We've never been in such a disastrous situation. Inflation has spiraled out of control. Over the last 3 months, the value of the Somali shilling has fallen dramatically, from 17,000 shillings to the dollar to 30,000 shillings to the dollar. As protesters poured through the market streets, some shots rang out. Reports indicate that at least 2 people were killed and several injured. Somalia is facing a severe food crisis. More than 1 million people need emergency food aid, and the United Nations World Food Programme is warning that the situation is going to become even worse. Adam Minot, BBC News, Nairobi.
You're watching BBC World News.